Hey, John. Ports. What are ports?
Ports. So when you make a request to a website or a server on the internet, they can have a bunch of different ports that provide different services. Those could be email, it could be a web server, it could be a VPN. So think about you're accessing a server on the internet. It's like a highway. Each different lane provides a different thing, a different service.
All right, so you're saying I'm on my laptop, and when I go to a website in the browser, it might be a different port than when I check my email.
Correct.
Okay.
So what happens is when you make a request to just a normal website, it's going to port 80.
So is that I can just
standard,
remember
port 80
is websites.
If you go HTTPS, the secure version, it's always 443.
Okay.
So there's an internet standard of what port does what service.
Let me just back up because as a user, it doesn't really matter. I don't have to think about this stuff. It kind of just automatically happens.
As a developer, it doesn't really matter a whole lot either.
But as a hacker, does it matter?
As a hacker, it kind of matters because you can have a web server that's running on port 80, the website, but then maybe it has other things on other ports that you can break into and then gain access to the website.
Oh, and that makes sense. And also, so doing some Rails like you may have as well, localhost 3000. 3000 is the port.
3000
is that right?
Yeah.
I never heard that before.
And you can specify what the port is. You can change it on the command line. When you run Rails S, you can do -P and do port.
So if you have some Rails experience or different development experience, sometimes you do see the port thing.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
That's ports.
All right, dig it. Thanks.
Yeah.
Cool.